so many ways we have found the differences between each other in terms of nationality, race, religion, caste, creed. It has become very important that we find some common factors or common ground for all of us. Soil is that one. All of us come from soil, survive on soil, and when we die, we go back to the soil. So soil is not only an ecological issue, it is also a way of bringing humanity together. So according to UNFAO, the food that we are eating today actually belongs to the unborn child. If we act as one humanity, in the next 10-15 years we can turn this around. So we request you to move the Muslim world to support the soil, not to support me, but to talk about soil, to support soil.
وأبداً بالنسبة لنا في رابطة العالم الإسلامي
As for the Muslim World League, we are completely ready to help you in whatever way possible to support your objectives.
هذه الرسالة احنا أحببناه كثيراً.
We have already loved you a lot.
أحببناه قبل أن نراه.
We even loved you even before seeing you.
لما رأينا أحببناه زيادة.
And when we saw you, we even fell in love even more.
Now that you express your love, you have to come to my home.
لأنكم أحببتونا لازم تأتوا إلى
بالعربي أنقذ التربة لنفعل ذلك على أرض الواقع بمبادرات عملية وجادة ملموسة الأثر. أنقذ التربة safe soil.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
thank you very much.
Yes. That's mine, not yours.
Oh, this is also yours.